Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on 5 credit cards where you can see your pre-qualified limit before you apply. Now with this, it's going to be a soft pull pre-approval or pre-qualification, and they're going to let you see your pre-qualified credit line. Now this is helpful to stop you from getting unnecessary hard inquiries. And if you're not satisfied with your pre-qualified limit, you don't have to apply. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also at my website, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package, and I have other removal packages for purchase to remove your negative items. So if you want that, you can find those links in the pinned comment section and in the description of this video. So let's jump into this information. Now, the main reason why you want to take this strategy, because you can get denied for credit with hard inquiries. So doing the soft pull pre-qualification is going to help you see if you fit into that company ideal customer that they're looking for. Now, this is not guaranteed, and with these companies, they will show you your pre-qualified credit line, but you have an 80% chance of receiving that, which is better than you just aimlessly applying for credit and seeing what you pre-qualify for beforehand with your credit line. You can decide whether or not if you want that type of limit. Also, if you're under a 700 credit score, you can see an increase of 50 points for every new credit card that you add to your credit profile. You can also boost your credit score over the 700 credit score, because understand utilization is 30% of your score. We're going to jump into showing you our first credit card. This is the AMC Entertainment Visa credit card, and the highlights with this card, there's no annual fee, and you can get 50 points per $1 spent on AMC purchases, 20 points per dollar spent on dining, grocery, and gas, 10 points per dollar spent on everything else. So with this credit card, some of the highlights with this card is no annual fee, which is a great option, and they will show you your predetermined credit limit. Now, with this card, they will be pulling from Experian or Equifax, and your credit score that you would need to qualify will be a 640 and up. Now, keep in mind, this is a Visa credit card, so you can use this card anywhere to book a hotel room, and this is not a closed loop card. But with this credit card, they do have an APR from 20.99% to 30.99%. In order to apply for this card, you must be a loyalty member of their AMC loyalty program stubs, but it's absolutely free to join. And once you join, you can just simply apply for this card. Next, we have the Ikea credit card. Now with Ikea, this is a closed loop credit card, meaning you can only use it at the Ikea store. But keep in mind, like I always tell you guys, if you're under a 700 credit score, adding a line of credit can help increase your credit score by 50 points on average. Also, with furniture accounts, they tend to give you larger lines of credit, and how that can help you. If you get a larger line of credit, reporting to your credit report, banks are more willing to give you a larger line credit card because banks only trust banks. So using this strategy for this card, with this Ikea card, there's no annual fee with this card. Also, with this card, you only need like a 6 630 credit score and up to qualify for this card. And with the APR on this card is 21.99%. And with this is good to actual finance larger purchases is what this card is designed for. So like I said, you can get a larger limit if you are looking to make purchases and you want to get a larger line of credit. They will be showing you your pre-approved limit with this credit card, and they do pull from Experian or Equifax. And as I said, you need a 630 credit score or up. And if you're looking to buy things from Ikea like furniture, they do offer 0 interest for various types of purchases for 6 months or 24 months. Next is the Crowfit credit card, and this is a credit card for health and wellness rewards with a 0 annual fee. And with this card, cardholders can earn an impressive uncapped 4% cash back on an expansive list of eligible health and wellness, including medical and lifestyle partners. And those partners include Walmart and Target. In addition to the 2% cash back on grocery purchases and 1% back on everything else. Now, with this card, you'll be able to use it anywhere because it's a MasterCard, so you can use it for restaurants, to book a hotel. So this is not a closed loop card. And with this card, in order for you to get approved, you need at least a 650 credit score and up. Now they will be pulling from Experian, but just like all the cards on this list, you can see your pre-approved qualified limit beforehand with this card. You're also going to be able to see your pre-approved interest rate, which will be 16.49% to 26.49% based on your credit worthiness. Now, next is a General Motors credit card. Now, with this card, there is no annual fee with this card, and there is a sign-up bonus. You can get 15 points when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months and a 0% introductory APR. Now, with this card, after the introductory 0% fee APR, it will convert over to a 19.99% to 29.99% APR with this card. And also with this card, you can earn 4x points for every dollar spent everywhere and receive an unlimited 7x points total for every dollar you spend with GM. So if you're already a General Motors customer, you can get points. Plus, points can add up fast. For example, if you're spending $12,000 a year on everyday purchases, you can earn 48,000 points, which equal out to $480 per year that you can get with this card. Last on our list, where you can see your pre-approved limit with a soft pull credit card, is the Dell Preferred Account credit card. With this card, there's 0 annual fee, and you can get an introductory APR of 0 for the first 6 to 12 months. Now, after that introductory fee, it will be 20.49% up to 29.99% after that time, depending on your credit worthiness. Now, with this card, there's no membership fees. And with this card, it is a closed loop card, meaning you cannot use this card anywhere else but with Dell. But this is good because, like I said, computers, things in this item, they're a larger purchase, so it can help you get a larger pre-approved credit line, and you can pre-qualify with this with zero impact to your credit score. Now with Dell, they will be pulling from Experian, and you need at least a 640 credit score and up. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have questions or any comments, just drop it down in the comment section or hit me up at my website. And all your questions go to my cell phone. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.